Hey, Bravo family. We miss you guys so much. It's such a bummer, right? Not to be together and be able to have classes together. But I'm so glad that we get to send out these videos and still kind of have this class together that we do. So last week you got your parts, your script parts. Hopefully you've all at least read your part. Maybe you don't have it memorized yet. Maybe you do. If you do, that's awesome. If not, you still have lots of time to work on it. But this week we're going to talk more about developing a character for your line. And there's a lot more that goes into delivering a part than just saying the words, because there's so many different ways you can say the word. And depending on how you say those words depends on the way that people understand them. Let me show you an example. I'm going to say the same sentence and I'm going to say it like 6 different times, and I'm going to put a different emphasis. The emphasis is going to go on a different word each time I say it. And you tell me if it changes the way that you understand the sentence. Okay? So, I did not eat your cookie. 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 Did that sound different? Did those mean different to you did that mean something different to you every single time I said it? It does, right? And all I changed is my inflection and the emphasis that I put, which word I put an emphasis on. So this week, I want you to try that with your part. I want you to read through your part and try emphasizing different words and see how that changes and see which way you like it. Which way do you feel like fits the sentence or the script best? Read the sentences before your line and read the sentences after your line. What's the emotion that your line is trying to portray? Are you trying to be funny? Are you serious? Are you angry? What's the emotion? Try saying it in all sorts of different emotions. Try saying your line really happy. And then try saying it like you're really mad. And then try saying it like you're super sad or super frustrated. And then try saying it like you're super sassy. Say a bunch of different ways. Which way feels like the best character for you? What's going to deliver the message of your line the best way? Once you have your part memorized, go around your house and ask somebody, anybody in your house, say, give me an emotion. And then whatever emotion they give you, say your line with that emotion. Whatever it is, whatever they say to you. If they say angry, say your line angry. If they say happy, say it happy. Whatever they say, you have to say your line in that emotion. Okay? And then decide which one fits the best. Okay, your other assignment for this week is to play this game. And I'm going to go get my kids, and they're going to play it with me to show you. It's a super fun game. You can play it with one person or 2 people, or you could have your whole family play it. It's going to be really easy to do. So I'm going to get my kids, and we're going to play this game. Okay, we're back. Here is the game. You're going to take 2 different containers, okay? And in one container, you're going to write words. Any word you want. Just think of random words. You can just look around your house and write window, picture, carpet, or you can think of favorite foods, or you can think of, it doesn't matter. There's so many words. Just write down like however many words you want, depending on how many people you have and how many rounds you want to play. So if you have 6 people in your family and you want to play with your whole family and you want everyone to have 5 turns, you'd write down 30 words. If there's just 3 of you and you just want to take 2 turns each, you're going to write down 6 words. If you can't think of a word, just ask random people. Say, what's the first word that comes to your mind? And then write it down, whatever word that is. Okay, as long as it's a good word. Don't write down naughty words, guys. Okay, the other container, you're going to write down emotions. Okay, so there are so many emotions. There's confident, there's scared, proud, confused, brave, timid, happy, sad, angry, frustrated. Think of emotions that you have felt or that maybe you're feeling right now. Maybe you're worried, or maybe you're excited, or maybe you're confused. Write down emotions, as many emotions. You have to write down the same amount of emotions as you have words, okay? And if you can't think of that many emotions, maybe you can only think of 10 emotions, you could write them down 2 or 3 times. But you want to have the same amount of papers in this cup as you have in this cup. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. On your turn, you're going to draw 1 paper from each cup and then you have to say that word with the emotion that's in the other cup. Okay? So we're going to have a practice round. Ready, Kaden? Kaden's going to go first. So draw a word. Or maybe that's an emotion. I think that's an emotion. What's your emotion?
Worried.
Worried. So his emotion is worried. And your word is? Just one. Put the other one back. What's your word?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. So he has to say the word butterfly, with like he's worried. How would you say butterfly if you were really worried? Ready? We'll count to 3 and then he's gonna say it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Worried. I'm not worried.
Hayden has a hard time being anything but funny. That's his constant emotion, is laughing and funny. But he's gonna do it. Ready? Stage face. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Butterfly.
Good. That was very good. Okay, Casey. You try it. Can you guys say butterfly like you're worried? Practice. Try it. Okay, go ahead. What's your emotion? What's your emotion?
Oh, angry.
Angry is her emotion. And what's your word?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. She has to say cinnamon like she's really angry. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Cinnamon!
Oh, good. Can you do it? Can you say cinnamon like you're angry? Angry cinnamon. Okay, my turn.
Angry cinnamon.
Maybe it makes you angry. Maybe you don't like cinnamon and your mom made you eat cinnamon toast for breakfast. This keeps like going blurry and then getting focused. That's annoying. Okay, my word is noodle. And I have to say it excitedly. Excited noodle. What does an excited noodle look like? Okay, ready? You guys gonna count me down?
3, 2, 1.
Noodle! Okay, that was my excited noodle. Okay, Kaden.
Okay. Okay, I'm confident.
A confident, scoot in so they can see
A
you.
confident sausage.
Okay, a confident
Hey,
sausage.
Do you guys remember the game sausage?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sausage.
Confident. All right, you guys try it. You guys try these words too. Okay, scoot in so they can see you. Okay, what's your word?
Belly button.
And what's your emotion?
Disgusted.
A disgusted belly button.
That actually makes sense.
Hey, I like belly buttons. They're cute. Okay, here we go. Ready? Stage face. 3, 2, 1.
Belly button.
Good job. All right, here's our last one. Joyful is my word. I got excited and joyful.
No fair.
I'm just happy. I'm happy. Are you happy, guys? Puppy. Oh, those are good words. A joyful puppy. I mean, that's my word, is puppy. Okay, count me down.
3, 2, 1.
Puppy. Okay. That is the game I want you guys to play today. You can play it with your family. You can play it with your siblings. You could FaceTime like your grandma or your cousins, and you could make these and then they could play it with you. You could play back and forth with someone over FaceTime or Skype or Zoom or whatever you use to video. This is a game you can play with anybody. So call your cousins or call a grandma or a family member or just play it with someone in your house. It's really fun, and it's fun to kind of use different emotions. Okay, so that's the game. And then don't forget to practice saying your parts with different emotions and with different emphasis. So for instance, in the Costco script, there's a line that says, they were giving them away, right? Talking about the free samples. And you could say that so many different ways. You could say, they were giving them away, or they were giving them away, right? 2 totally different ways to say it. So practice the different ways that you can say it with the different emotions. And find out what feels right to you. What feels right for your part? Develop your character and practice saying it with different emotions. And next week, we're going to work on a different aspect of delivering a line. Okay, guys, I hope you're having a great week. Thanks for joining us. Have fun playing this emotion game.